Listen, if you've been searching for real ways to make money online using AI, then this video is going to open your eyes. I'm about to show you 5 beginner-friendly AI side hustles that people are using right now to make $50 to $300 a day. These methods work globally, they don't require any experience, and you can start today. Let's get into it. Hustle number 1 is AI content creation. With tools like ChatGPT and HeyGen, you can create full YouTube scripts, faceless videos, Instagram reels, tutorials, and even short documentaries. The best part? Companies and creators pay real money for content. On Fiverr, people charge $30 to $150 per script, and for video creation, some charge $100 to $500. If you enjoy creating content or want to build a personal brand, this is one of the easiest ways to start earning with AI. Hustle number 2 is AI-powered social media management. Small businesses need help posting content, replying to customers, and creating short videos. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut let you manage entire social accounts in minutes. You can charge $150 to $600 per month per client. Get just 2 clients and you're already making solid part-time income. Hustle number 3 is AI writing services. E-commerce stores constantly need product descriptions, SEO articles, and website content. Using ChatGPT plus Grammarly, you can deliver clean, professional writing fast. Freelancers charge $10 per description and $30 to $80 per blog. This side hustle is perfect for beginners because AI does most of the heavy lifting. Hustle number 4 is AI thumbnail and graphic design. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva Pro, you can create viral-style thumbnails for YouTubers. Thumbnail designers earn between $10 and $40 per thumbnail, and you can complete each one in a few minutes. If you enjoy design or want a simple creative hustle, this one is a gold mine. Hustle number 5 is AI automation services. This means helping businesses automate tasks like emails, customer support, content creation, and scheduling using AI tools. Even beginners can set up simple automations with ChatGPT, Zapier, or Notion AI. Businesses pay well for this, anywhere from $50 for a simple setup to $500 for advanced automation. This side hustle has massive potential because every business wants to save time and money right now. And that's it, 5 AI side hustles you can start today, even if you have 0 experience. The world is changing fast, and AI is creating opportunities every single day. Start with just one of these hustles, practice for a few hours, and you'll be ahead of 99% of people. If you want more AI earning tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Bright Mind Show. Thanks for watching. Now go start your AI income journey.